So the Montego Bay Fire Station, being lauded as the biggest fire station in Jamaica. So that's the Montego Bay Fire Station, still under construction. It is 4 floors and it will be the biggest fire station in Jamaica. So right here in the heart of Montego Bay, St. James, on the Howard Cook Boulevard. That's where we're at right now. Just taking this look at the Montego Bay Fire Station. So we did an initial video on this complex before. I'll put that link in the description. But I think they're now close to completion. We see that windows are in, doors are in. Most of the painting has been done as well. The other exciting news for Montego Bay is that the brand new Harmony Beach Park is now open to the public. It's a free beach park. It would be similar to the Emancipation Park, but now with the beach component. So I covered that location as well, so you guys will either see that video. So probably you already see that video if I upload it before this. But if I haven't uploaded it as yet, then you'll see that video of the new Harmony Beach Park right after this one. The Harmony Beach Park looks very nice, and I was there for the grand ceremony. So if you haven't seen it yet, definitely go check it out. Lots of traffic in Montego Bay. This is some future plans for the Prime Minister in terms of creating some new road networks to alleviate some of this traffic. So these are some views of the Montego Bay Fire Station. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go across the road, give you guys a glimpse of the billboard which shows the finished project, and just take a general look around the area. Montego Bay to me, everybody should know by now that I live in Kingston, but Montego Bay to me is like a vacation destination. I love the beach, so that's one thing on my list that would cause me to even have a vacation home down this side. I love the ambience of Montego Bay, and right over here we have Pier 1. So everybody who's watching, who's from Montego Bay or living in Montego Bay, you know, just blaze up the comment section. So this is a city that I love. So I'm in Kingston City, and I would love to, you know, have a vacation home down this side as well. How many persons agree, or how many persons would do the same? Let me know. So that's Pier 1. So it's a beautiful sunset right over here. Alright guys, so we're gonna take some closer shots of the Montego Bay Fire Station. And again, once I come to these beach and waterfront areas, there's always a lot of garbage. You know, Jamaica really have and I wouldn't say Jamaica, some persons have a garbage problem in terms of proper disposal. But I'm hoping that we can see some improvement. Alright, so let's get closer guys to the newly built, or the almost finished, fire station. Alright guys, so this is the back section of the fire station, 1 Barnett Street. So it seems as if they'll have housing facilities or dorm, probably sleepover for the firemen. So to me they're almost finished. Most things seem to be completed already. peak hour traffic, almost 6 p.m. Everybody coming from work, and then bumper to bumper traffic out on the Howard Cook Boulevard, and then that's over Pier 1. And nowadays persons have to party from early, so quite a number of persons over there. Nice chill area here in Montego Bay. And if you have ever been to Pier 1, just let me know in the comment section. So Montego Bay Fire Station, that's the main reason we are here for this video. Thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to like this video, leave a comment, share, and let me know what you think about the development of this fire station. So there's work ongoing even right now as we speak. But in terms of the main infrastructure building work, that seems to be complete. So I think pretty soon we can see the fire station in full operation. Alright guys, so thanks for watching to the end, and again thanks for clicking on this video. Share, like. Trying to grow the channel to 10,000. I know you guys can help, and I really appreciate the support of each and everyone. You know yourself, you're always messaging me, giving me new info, new development. You probably always comment, you probably always like, you probably always share. Some persons have donated to PayPal as well, because you know the channel cannot survive without money. So I really appreciate everyone, and you know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, right here on Rush for More Reviews. So thanks for watching guys.